lawyer chuckled, and Zane leaned into the microphone. It was just a rounding error, he said. She gets emotional about numbers. The fluorescent lights overhead hummed, glinting off his polished Italian shoes. I said nothing. We had been business partners for 4 years, building our marketing firm from a single laptop in my apartment. The cracks started small. He'd take credit for my design concepts in client meetings. He'd borrow from the expense account for dinners I wasn't invited to. Miss a critical deadline and blame my unrealistic standards. I stayed because he was the salesman, the face, and I believed I was just the quiet talent who needed him to be seen. The breaking point came on a Tuesday. I found the shadow account, the one funneling a percentage of every invoice for the last 18 months. When I confronted him with the printouts, he just poured himself a whiskey from the office decanter and laughed. Relax. It's just the cost of doing business with a genius. Something in me went silent. All the charisma, all the energy just fell away. Everything clicked. I didn't yell. I hired a forensic accountant. Over the next 3 weeks, she unearthed 87 fraudulent transfers totaling $212,400. My sister, a paralegal, helped me organize the evidence. Screenshots of his texts to a realtor about a beach house, bank statements, and a complete audit of the accounting software he always insisted on using, the one he thought was too complex for me to understand. I spent 40 hours learning its every backdoor. I used his own system to build his cage. Back in the deposition room, his lawyer pressed me again. How exactly did you uncover these alleged transfers? I looked directly at Zane. I used your software. His smile faltered. The one you called idiot-proof. The color drained from his face as he shuffled through his own copies of the evidence, his panic suddenly palpable. I slid a glossy real estate brochure across the table. It was for the beach house. His realtor's name was circled in red ink. You have excellent taste in property. The court froze his assets a week later. He had to sell his Porsche and his condo to settle the lawsuit and avoid criminal charges. Our company was dissolved, but my clients followed me. Last week, I signed the lease on a new, smaller office just for me. The numbers are clean. There are no rounding errors.